Now, this app is for students, for people who love legitimate stuff. Like you're a student and you're looking for an app that teaches you skills, or maybe you're just a youth that needs skills like AI skills, how to use AI tools, um, how to create a website, stuff like this. This application is more like a company, right? It's more like a company or a brand that is out to help you um, to give you all the skills through the help of their sponsors, that want to see young people grow, right? So if you're able to participate in their missions, we are going to explore some of the missions that they have, right? So under the adventures, right, this is the mission tab. Let me show you. This is the mission tab. All right, relax. I'm going to teach you how to register. I'm going to just direct you on how to register, what to do and what not to do. Believe me, you can make at least $50 a month if you are serious on this app. $50 a month. Very, very simple task that you should do. Very simple task you can do on this app, right? This particular one, they say you get $1 just for just a simple picture of yourself. I see this. This is just a simple picture, right? Meet someone in your community. Just come out of your house, go to your environment, meet someone. Just meet. You can meet one person or two people and take a selfie with them, right? And submit them. Just make sure you click here to read all the criteria, right? After reading the criteria, you participate, right? So it's not compulsory you must participate in any of all of these task. Is just for you to select the one that fits you, the one that you know that you can do best, and participate in them, and you earn your $1 for free, right? Same thing with this ones. Your favorite place. Where is your favorite place? Visit a place. See, visit a place you love. Cafe. Is it a cafe? Is it school? Is it work? Is it a park or any special spot? You can just go to your balcony or your backyard. Maybe that's your favorite spot where you like to cool off and have a moment of your own. Just stay there and right, just capture that moment and you submit. That's all, and you get your $1. All right, there are other ones too. Bring a friend, just one friend, right? Just bring one friend and you earn your $1. Just like that, like that, like that. There is also the social. This one is under the adventures. So let's move to social and see what we have there, right? Under the social, they say capture your color, right? Capture your color. Celebrate your favorite color by finding and sharing something that matches it. All right, just click on it and read the requirements, the criteria, what they want. They're going to tell you exactly what they want. All right, and look at the days. Make sure you check 25 days left, 25 days left, and so on and so forth. Right, there is also, let's move to the skill up. There's this skill up, like I told you. This is an app that teaches you a lot of skills. They turn your ideas into creative images with ChatGPT using text prompts. These are things that you already know, but you need to for you to step up your game. You need to do these things, right? So as you can see, this is just 24 days left. This is a whooping 24 days left. So you just have to jump on it and participate in whichever you want to, or you participate in all of it, earn your $1, and before you know it, you've reached the minimum requirements for withdrawal, right? Minimum amount to withdraw. Now let's go to the home page again, right? If you have friends, I'm sure everyone in this world have at least one friend or two friends. If you don't have friends, physical friends, you have them on social media. You have people everywhere, so you can invite your family members, invite your friends, invite your colleagues at work. You can also invite your fellow students in school, right? Just ensure you talk to someone to join the app. Share your link. Just click on start earning to share your link. All right, share your link to them and you start earning, right? You can earn up to $500, like they say, by sharing your link with people that you know. All right, now look at it. You can watch video, just a short video, and get 5 cents. Love their app. Just rate them on Play Store and get 5 cents. Follow them on Facebook. I just follow them and I got 5 cents. Complete this task, very simple task, and you get to earn for free, right? So we've talked about missions. Now let's see discover. There are other things, right? Share Bravo on social media and you get $2, right? A lot of other things that you get to do, right? Just explore these things, and that's basically. Let me warn you, first of all, ensure you do your own research on this app. Do your research, but believe me, this is a legit, from the research that I made, this is a legit app, and it is very free. Like, it's free. They don't ask for your money, right? They don't ask for your money. However, this is not financial advice. And let me warn you, do not try to spam or outsmart these people, because they would restrict your account forever. All right, if you try to spam or fake referrals or do stuffs that are against their app rules, if you do anything fraudulent on this app, your account will be restricted forever, and you might not be able to use your device or your phone, whatever device you're using to register for this. You might not be able to use your device on this app again. All right. So make sure you do everything well. Follow whatever rules they give to you, and you're going to make your money clean. Now, after making your money, how do you withdraw? You click on either wallet, or just click on wallet there to redeem. Right, click on wallet, and while you're here, you see your earnings. You see your total earnings. Just for joining, I go $1, and then for checking in, I earned up to like $21, 21 cents, right? And you either claim via airtime, data, gift card, or cash, right? So look at the minimum amount for airtime, minimum amount for data, minimum amount for gift card, and minimum amount for cash, whichever way. But I think for me, I would go for either gift card or cash, right? Okay, so now let me show you something. Okay, what was I going to show you? All right, for you to earn more, you have to maintain a streak, right? If you maintain a streak, they're going to give you more earnings. So that's that for this video and for this particular app. If you like this particular content, please give this video a thumbs up and comment whatever questions you have. Comment in the comment section and I'll attend to it. The link to this app is in the description. I'll keep it in the description, and I'll also drop it in the comment. I'll pin it in the comments. So do well to register and do the right thing. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.